Washington Middle School, welcome to week 5. It is Monday, and today our learning target: I can solve real-world problems involving ratio relationships using bar diagrams, double number lines, and equivalent fractions. Now, you might be wondering right now, why do I have this on my neck? Well, I've got a big ice pack right here because my neck hurts, and I went to the chiropractor today, and I think it's because I've been looking down at my computer all the time. Now, what if we did a survey of people at Washington Middle School, and I went to a bunch of houses, and I went to 10 houses. Let's say I went to 10 houses, and I asked everybody, does your neck hurt this week? And I went to 10 houses, and 3 people told me, yeah, my neck hurts because I've been looking at the computer too much. Maybe they're like me. Now, I could say I have a ratio. 3 out of the 10 people I talk to have necks that hurt, like Mr. Nass. How many could we figure out if we have 3 out of 10 that have hurting necks? Then how many people at the school have hurting necks? Well, we're going to talk about that today. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to use bar diagrams. Now, what's a bar diagram? Well, you're going to go into your Reveal Math right now, and we are going to use a different question. All right, so suppose 3 out of 5 randomly selected students at a certain school play sports. There are 525 students at the school. So the first thing I'm going to do on my page is I'm going to draw a bar. So I got my paper down here. I'm going to draw my bar. The next thing I'm going to do, and you're going to copy this at home. 3 out of 5 students play sports. So we're going to divide our bar into 5 equal sections. So I'm going to divide my bar and go to the next one. I'm going to shade in 3 sections to represent the 3 out of 5 students that play sports. I'm going to label each group. Now I'm going to label the total number of the students at the school. 525 students. Then I'm going to go to the next one. It says divide the total number by 5 to determine the value of each section. Because 525 divided by 5 is 105. Then each section represents 105. There are 3 sections that play sports. So you can predict that 3 times 105, or 315 students at the school, play sports. All right, so the question that you're going to work on is this. 2 out of 3 randomly selected students in Mrs. Mason's class at Heritage Middle School prefer cats as a household pet than any other pet. If there are 750 students at Heritage Middle School, how many students can be expected to prefer cats as a household pet? So again, you are going to move through each of these slides, and you're going to work on this on your own. Pause the video, go to Reveal Math, and do example 1, example 2, and then we are going to come back.